Many people will just use the themes to control the colors within their PowerPoints, and this can be a mistake, and that's why we're talking about color contrast, because if you use the themes, you're frequently going to get color contrast that doesn't work. So if I were to change from the office theme to any of these here, like this purple one right here, let's just do that. Okay, so it's changed all the colors that I had set up in my palette. And let's come to this slide right here, and we have the purple background with the white lettering on it, which will definitely pass. But what about these again? Let's see. Let's run the color contrast analyzer. So I click the tool, and I have white lettering, so I don't need to change the foreground, but I'll change the background. So there's that blue. It failed. I think these are pretty much the colors that we started with in our first lesson. And you see each time it's going to fail. And therefore I'm going to have to adjust them every time I change the theme. And if I were to move to, say, this theme right here, and again, it doesn't look to me like it's going to pass. Let's try the color contrast analyzer. I have white letters, and I have the background, and again, they all fail. So this is very common in PowerPoint. Another thing that you might like to do in designing your colors is to use actually a color calculator, such as I found right here, and I'll put the website down at the bottom. What's nice about this is if I have the hex code, I can go ahead and put the code in here, and then it will give me some choices. I can have a complementary set, I can have a monochromatic set. So if you remember, I had earlier the code 007040, and when I put that color in the scheme, it's going to allow me to choose the harmony for it. Now, those colors are not going to look good with a black font on it, but a white font would be fine. But I can also choose the monochromatic, analogous, and then some of these that split the colors into various sets. So let's try this one. So I have 4 different colors, and so that would be something that I could get the codes from each one of these and put it in my RGB converter and then put it into PowerPoint so that I have those colors. And so you'll have to do some trial and error to test these color schemes, but if you want to play around with the colors, you can just move the little wheels here and it will change the colors to fit this ratio, and the same with the other colors. So if I move them around, you see it's real easy to get a set of colors that you like by doing this. And I hope you have enjoyed these lessons on how to make color choices for color contrast for your PowerPoint presentations.